Hi, my name's Scott Shearer. Andy Honeycutt and I will be presenting two Power Automate workshops at 365 EduCon in Washington, D.C. In the morning, we'll have our fundamental workshop, and in the afternoon, we will have our intermediate workshop. Both Andy and I are both Microsoft MVPs and Microsoft certified trainers. Both of us have a great deal of experience in the IT industry, and we both have a great deal of experience as trainers, specifically training Microsoft tools and technology. So you're in good hands. Let's talk about what we'll cover. In the morning, we'll introduce you to Power Automate. We'll show you what Power Automate is, what you can do with it. We'll talk about some basic concepts such as flow triggers, actions, conditions, etc. We will start building some simple flows, and we'll end the morning by helping you solve some common business process requirements with Power Automate. In the afternoon, we'll take it up a notch. We'll start by talking about Power Automate expressions. You have to have a knowledge of Power Automate expressions to really take advantage of Power Automate. We'll talk about some advanced approval scenarios. In the morning, we'll touch on approvals. We'll show you how they work. In the afternoon, we'll take it up a notch. We'll show you how to do things like approval escalations and run parallel approvals. We'll talk about one of my favorite topics, and that's using OData filters to filter data coming back from things like Excel and SharePoint, as well as other data sources. This is a must-know. And we'll also show you some real-world examples, talk about some real-world problems and solutions to help you get started using Power Automate in the real world. A couple of things I'd like you to know before you attend. First, these are hands-on workshops. So bring your own device, and that device should have a keyboard. Now, we will be providing an M365 tenant, so you don't need to worry about getting your own or using your employer's. We will provide a tenant for you. However, if you are using an employer-provided laptop, you want to make sure that you can connect to our tenant. A lot of employers will lock down their laptops to prevent you from connecting to any other M365 tenant other than theirs. Check with your employer's IT department first. I will say that if you can create an incognito or in private window in your browser, you're probably going to be okay, but you need to check with your IT department first. And on that, both Andy and I hope to see you at either the morning, or afternoon session, hopefully both. One thing I can guarantee you is that you'll have a good time. So I hope to see you there.